In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to request transfer in player or manager career mode FC 26. Now with manager career, it's different. You just buy and sell players, but in player career, it works in another way. You can't just put yourself up for transfer. Instead, from the main menu, head over to your My Pro, then select My Agent. This is where you'll see your career path, your agent suggestion and your current contract goals. Since this is a brand new career, you'll usually start with a basic renewal option like adjusting your weekly wages or what percentages of games you are expected to start. Depending on your club, you might also see requirements like goals, assists or other performance targets. Now if you go into the path section, that's where the transfer part comes in. Let's say I am playing as Bruno Fernandes and I want to move clubs. You can actually pick a target team here. Just know the bigger the team, the tougher the objectives. For example, if I target Liverpool, they might want me to start 65% of matches, score 12 goals, maybe even score from inside the box 25 times, plus win player of the month a few times. These objectives determine not only if the move happens, but also the kind of wage bonus you'll get. If I instead choose Real Madrid, I'll have to hit different stats like a high tackle success rate or a certain number of first time shots. Once you lock in your target, that's your transfer path. You can change it mid-season if you want, but there's no simple request transfer button. Basically, you have got to complete these objectives over the course of the season. Since you start outside of the transfer window, you'll need to play through until it opens. Simulation might help a little, but most of these targets require actually playing matches. So yeah, the only way to make a transfer is by grinding those objectives your agent sets. Check the recommendations too. They'll point you towards the realistic moves, but at the end of the day, it's all about hitting those goals to unlock the transfer. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.